over it. That's where I was going, but you can see there's a bunch of cloud. I can't really go much further. But I'll go around and show you everything up here. We're on top of this ridge. It's not super high, but it's high enough, and it probably sounds really windy, but it's not that windy. And there's, let's see, Skjern and Steve, and then that's the black Cullen over there, kind of in more clouds. You can't really see it. Then we come around. There's Modisko. I'll come out a little bit. There's Modisko, and then around there's the Mjältyngen, and then Glamvik behind that, also in some clouds. And that's the road going back to my house. And then around again, let's see, there's yeah, you have to come, and we'll do some hill walking up here. It's great. Okay, bye-bye.